Hi everyone, it's Marco Brown. When can a kid decide which parent they want to live with? Well, the legal answer is 18 years old, when they become an adult. There's no more custody, there's no more parent time, there's nothing like that. They're an adult, they get to do what they want. The reality of the situation is, a couple years before that, they kind of choose what to do. So when they're about 16, they get a car, they don't really want to be around parents, they want to be with their friends. They're going to decide where they want to live. You can have whatever type of custody and parent time arrangement you want, and your 16-year-old is pretty much going to do whatever he or she wants. That's the reality of the situation. So when they hit 16, whatever you have on paper is great, but they're going to do whatever. So the question then becomes with some parents, what do I do? You know, they won't come over to my house. I have a custody arrangement, but they won't come over, and I want to force them to do this. I want to force them to abide by the custody arrangement I have with my ex. Well, that, as far as I can tell from the hundreds and hundreds of situations I've dealt with over the years in this, is a bad idea. And here's why. That may well happen. You may well be able to force your 16-year-old or 17-year-old to come over to your house, but they're going to hate it. The best way to deal with this is really to work on your relationship with your kid. So if your kid wants to be with mom all the time, probably allow that to happen, and then work on building that relationship back up and working on whatever that kid is going through at that point. That's going to be a much better option than just forcing the child to come over to your house by dragging them in the car or doing whatever. And I see this happen all the time. That just leads to a bad relationship. Once the kid turns 18 and goes to college, they're not really going to want to be around you that much. So to kind of recap everything, 18 is the magic number. 16 is when a kid de facto gets to decide where he or she wants to live. And if you have problems and your kid just doesn't want to come to your house, notwithstanding the court order, work on your relationship as much as humanly possible, but give that kid some space. If you need help with your divorce, give us a call. Number's 801-685-9999, or check us out on the web, www.utdivorceattorney.com. Thanks, everyone.